Hey friends, I hope you all had a really wonderful holiday season, Christmas, whatever it is that you celebrate. I hope it was joyous. We definitely had a great holiday. I felt like I just took the stress off this holiday season. I didn't have as many gifts to buy. I didn't have as many truffles to make, all those kind of things. I just kind of took a little bit of a break in my holiday season, and it was so nice. We had lots of fires in the fireplace, got to sit in front of the fire and the Christmas tree. We watched movies together as a family. We got iced in one day because of the Arctic blast. We got just a little bit of the Arctic blast, and so we were all home together for probably about 48 hours total. And so we watched a couple movies together as a family. We played card games and snuggled up by the fire. It was so nice. So the reason that I'm popping on today is that I got a package in the mail this morning, and it was supposed to be delivered Christmas Eve, but because of the ice, it got delayed, and so it got delivered this morning. And I was so excited about it, I had to just hop on and let you know about this new product from Keto Chow that I cannot believe they have kept a secret. I am so excited. Back when I did my first taste test with the kids of Keto Chow and my review, we tasted all of it. We talked about the flavor and everything. And my biggest issue with making Keto Chow a part of like my everyday routine was two things. The sweetener. I don't have a big problem with a little bit of sucralose here and there every once in a while. I don't think I'm going to be poisoned by eating it once in a while. It's just not something that I want to have in my everyday diet. And Keto Chow is sweetened with sucralose. The other thing that I mentioned then is that it's dairy-based. And at that time, I was dairy-free, so it was kind of a no-go for me at that point. And even now, I just would prefer something dairy-free, again, if it's going to be part of my everyday life. I eat a lot of dairy in other ways right now, like yogurt and such, and just not adding more dairy to that is a plus for me. So this package I got in the mail, total surprise from Keto Chow, which they love to do, which is so fun. Every time I get a notification that I have a Keto Chow package coming, I'm like, oh my gosh, what's it going to be? There were two things inside. Let me show you the first. The first, Keto Chow Core, and it is dairy-free and sweetened with stevia. So the protein that is in this is beef protein. So it is, like their savory soup bases are, several of them have a beef protein as the base. They have made a sweet flavor with beef protein as the base. And I am going to try this in a little bit, and I will let you know if it tastes like beef, which I'm sure it doesn't. There are other, beef protein based powders that are sweet, and you don't taste the beef. It's like isolated. So it doesn't taste like beef. But anyways, we will do the taste test just to be sure. So sweetened with stevia, beef protein as the base, dairy free. All right, so that's the first thing. Second thing, very exciting as well for a lot of people I know, is dairy free again, unsweetened. So if there's some kind of a sweetener that you love or that you do well with, if you don't like stevia, if you don't like sucralose, but you love erythritol or you love allulose, you can add your own sweetener however much and whatever kind you like. So I am super excited about this shift or this new product line from Keto Chow. Right now, it's only available in chocolate, stevia sweetened or unsweetened, but I imagine if it does well, they will, add more flavors down the line. One thing that I absolutely love about Keto Chow as a company and the people behind Keto Chow, which of course make it what it is as a company, is that they are all about giving people options and meeting them where they're at and trying to fulfill the needs that they have. They don't just, put something out and say, it is what it is, and we made it the way we wanted it, and you can just deal with it. They are constantly listening to the feedback of the people that use their products or people that wish they could use their products and can't because of one or two little things. And they are like making solutions for people and just giving options. And that just makes keto more accessible to more people. And if we want keto to become more of a mainstream thing and the health of the people in this country and in the world to be improved by keto, making it more accessible is like going to be a huge part of it. So I am super excited about this new product. And I am going to be heading into the kitchen here in a minute. I'm going to try the stevia one, and we'll do a little quick taste test and we'll see how it is. But I will have my link down below, which will get you 10% off your order of Keto Chow. Check it out, and I'm excited to see like if they add more flavors, if these ones do well, because you guys know I love flavors, I love variety, and if they started coming out with these and all of their amazing flavors, oh my gosh, I would be so excited. Let's head into the kitchen and give this a try. All right, I am going to do the butter preparation, which is recommended always. All right, let me smell this. Ooh, smells chocolatey. Spoiler alert, very chocolatey.
My goodness.
Smells good, huh?
Yeah, it does.
All right, 14 ounces of slightly warm water. And shaker ball. Now I'm going to go throw this in the fridge, probably for a couple hours until I am ready for lunch. Okay, it's been about 3 hours now. It is fully chilled and ready to drink. I will say before I taste it, I am expecting there will be a stevia taste. Stevia and sucralose taste different. Stevia, I think, has more of an aftertaste. So I am expecting that. There you go. There's my disclaimer. It is very chocolatey. Definitely taste the butter. So it's like a buttery chocolate. I don't think I've ever had the chocolate keto chow with butter in it. I think I did heavy cream before, which of course makes it really creamy, but the butter like makes it buttery, and it has the little extra salt in it because it's salted butter. It's Kerrygold butter. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Anyways, the chocolate flavor is very chocolatey, very, very good, very fudgy. And I can confirm no taste of beef whatsoever. So no worries on that front. I think it tastes really good. The stevia aftertaste isn't super strong. In some things, especially chocolate flavored things, the stevia taste can be a little bit overwhelming, but it's not. I think the butter flavor actually helps in this. It's not overwhelming. It is quite good. Super excited about this. If you guys want to check it out, use the link down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video.